Assalamualaikum students, welcome back to your online class of maths. Hope you all are fine and doing good. Children, in today's class we are continuing the 6th chapter, that is addition and subtraction. And the today's topic in this video is subtraction with regrouping. Solve 191 and minus 76. So children, first write the numbers in their correct places. Hundreds on hundred place, tens on tens place, ones on ones place. Then the second number here is 76. So 7 on tens and 6 on ones. Now we cannot subtract 6 from 1. So we regroup. How? From tens place we have to take one 10. So after giving this 1 will become 11 and this 9 will become 8. And 11 minus 6 is 5. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So in hundreds place we don't have any number. So right, that means 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the difference here is 115. Solve 431 minus 143. First write the numbers in their correct places. 431 and 143. Again 3 cannot be subtracted from 1. So we have to do the regrouping. So take 110 from the tens place. This one will become 11 and this 3 will become 2. 11 minus 3 is 8. Now again children, we cannot here we are having 2 now, so we cannot subtract 4 from 2. Again you have to regroup them. Take 110 from the hundreds place. 12 minus 4 is 8. So here we have 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the difference here is 288. Let's start the exercise 6.4. Subtract 76 from 128. 8 can be subtracted. 6 can be subtracted from 8. So we have to we should not do any regrouping here. So 8 minus 6 is 2, but 7 cannot be subtracted from 2. So take 110 from the hundreds place. 12 minus 7 is 5. So after giving 110 to the tens, this will become 0. So don't write anything here. So the difference here is 52. Next, subtract 60 from 411. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 6 cannot be subtracted from 1. So you have to take 10 from hundreds place. This 1 will become 11 and this 4 will become 3. 11 minus 6 is 5. So here we have 0. 3 minus 0 is 3 only. In the same way children, you have to do this third one. This fourth and fifth you have to do by yourself. Next, think and subtract. Children, always subtract the smaller number from the greater number. While doing the subtraction, you have to write the smaller number below the bigger one or greater one. So here, compare the numbers 259 and 437. Subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Here we are having 2 on hundreds place and here 4 on hundreds place. And this 2 is less than 4. And this 4 is greater than 2. That means this 437 is greater than 259. So what should come first here? 437 and then comes 259. So observe children, here we have written smaller number below the bigger one or greater one. Let's subtract 259 from 437. 7 cannot be subtracted from 9 cannot be subtracted from 7. So borrow 110 from the tens place. 17 minus 9 is 8. Again 5 cannot be subtracted from 2. Again you have to take 10 from the hundreds place. 12 minus 5 is 7. And here we are having 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the difference here is 178. So in the same way, we have to compare the numbers first and we have to do the subtraction from greater number Which is the greater number here? 825, because on the hundreds place we have the bigger number, and here 632 is the greater one, because on the hundreds place we have 6, and this 6 is greater than 4. And here 609 is greater than 407, because on the hundreds place we have the greater number. In the same way, children, after comparing them, you have to write them first in their correct places, and you have to do the subtractions, and then compare and put sign less than, greater than, or equals to. What you have to do first you have to solve them. See, both the sides you have to solve first, then after that you have to put the correct sign. Third question, fill in the missing numbers. Again you have to do the subtraction first, and whatever the answer you will get, you have to write the numbers in their correct places, that is hundreds, tens and ones. So thank you children, and practice well today's topics, and take care. Allah Hafiz.